Hello everyone. I guess we are live and it's been after a long time. I was out of town. I didn't have time, and this is nice that I'm back and I'm doing the live again, and I am happy to do that. And yeah, it's been a lot of things happening. I couldn't get time to come live, but from now on, I'll try to come live every day as I used to come before my uh, these vacations. I was on vacations and I didn't get time to come live. So yes, we are live again today, and today is 27th of July. It's a new week after the vacations. There's nothing special happening to gold, but we do have something special in gold happening. Yeah, so uh, without wasting any time, uh, let's. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? Let's get into the charts. Let's get into the charts. Uh, okay, let's see. Yeah. So I was not paying attention to. Okay. So yeah, I need to fix this. Yeah, I need to fix this. Otherwise, I don't know what's wrong. But yeah, I need this the gap below. I don't like it anymore. I want to fix this. I don't know how to fix it, but I'll try to fix it afterwards. After we're done with the chat with this live stream. Okay, so we are. Let's get into the charts. Without wasting any time, we should get into the charts and let's see what we are doing. Okay, we are on the charts, on the charts, on the charts. Okay, yes, yes. Okay, so we'll start from the weekly. Let's see what was happening on weekly. Okay, we have to narrow it down. We have to. Okay, okay. Who put this? Okay, so yeah, we are creating some sort of support down here. You see, this is previous support before the all-time high happened. But now we are creating some sort of support over here, and we are going above from that support. Um, and this right now, this week is new, and we created up a wick, and now I guess we are going to create a lower wick. Okay, let's see. We'll go on a daily time frame and let's see what the daily is saying. Okay, yeah, this is bad. Chart shift. Okay, so yeah, on the daily is the daily. Okay, yeah. So this is our support, strong support. If we bring this support somewhere over here, so that we know that our support is, yeah. I honestly don't know what the hell is happening with the YouTube. 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 Ah, okay. I forget it. I don't care. I genuinely don't care what's happening with the uh, okay, let me open. it's sometimes it's frustrating because when you're full into the mood of doing something and this internet connection just do it all. Yeah. So okay, yeah. Okay. So this is some sort of a better support because from here we have a very big, yeah, 727 pips. Okay, 727 pips down over here. So yeah, we have a support over here, and we have a resistance somewhere over here. Let's go to 4 hours. Okay, yeah. So we have a support. We had a support over here, and now closed below the support in the 4 hour. And now this is a new 4 hour candle just 15 minutes ago. We started, and we have resistance over here, support over here. We closed below the 4 hour support. Let's go to the 1 hour. When is it? Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah, forget it. Yeah, whoever's watching, if you like to comment or ask anything, you can do that, okay? I'm not gonna stop you. I'm not gonna stop you, and you can just um let's just do that. Okay. So it's 1 hour. We just closed below 1 hour support. Okay. Yeah, it's I guess things okay. 1 hour is closed below 30 minute. Yeah, we had a support over here. Yeah, okay. Um mhm, mhm, okay. So this is a 30 minute, and we some what the hell happened? What the don't do anything bad to my setup. Um I'm all the way up. Yeah. Something something bad happened to my setup and I, I can't. Okay. This is something I don't expect to happen as often. And okay. So on 30 minute we are going down, we are going bearish, we have a support over here, and we are most likely to go down, I guess, because we are breaking below this support, and on 15 minute, yeah, we just created a support, which is a very good thing. And now we wait for okay, why the hell am I having some okay, I'm feeling dizzy. Yeah, something bad happened to me. I don't know what, but this is bad. Okay. Okay, this is a new week and we are live with the new week. I'm getting weak. It's a new week and I'm getting weak. Yeah, because I'm having some dizziness. I was just feeling shoo, shoo. Forget it. Okay. So, yeah, we have this support over here, and yeah, if we close below this support, which is very good support, we will be very likely to go or one. Hmm. Let's see what the what the hell. Let's see what the news is for today. Is there any news or anything happening? I don't know. Okay, yeah, 18 minutes ago, SNB expected to keep interest rate at zero until the end of 2027, view based on current forecasts for inflation and assume no major stocks. Okay. Okay, so no big news. Iran foreign minister spoke. We will not allow America to determine the thing. Okay, yeah, forget it. I don't care about this war anymore because the market doesn't care about this war anymore. So yeah, we created a support on a very big support, and let's see what happens after if this candle, the current candle, which we are talking about right now, if this candle, if you can see, if this candle breaks and close below this support, something like here, we will be having a very good, very beautiful sell at the moment. But no, I don't care. I don't need you. So yeah, there's someone. No, nobody. Okay, forget it. Okay, so yeah, uh, we are at a very strong support. The market started from here in the morning in the Asian session, and on the New York, we've been consolidating the whole day. Um, yeah. Did we took any trade? No, did not took any trade. Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah. So we will wait because it's a very high time, high volatility time, high volume and high volatility. Yeah. Yeah, if we close below this support, and I think so it is going to happen, and then we will be looking for a a a what do you mean a a okay. So yeah, yeah. Knock knock. Nobody's there. I don't know what's happening to YouTube, and I genuinely don't know what the hell is wrong with the YouTube at the moment. But butter, butter. That's a shoe brand in Pakistan. Butter. Yeah. When I used to live in Pakistan, I used to wear those shoes, but I don't wear them anymore. I wear some, but I just wear some random slippers. You know. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I think so. On 30 minute, what's happening on 30 minute? Let's see. If this 30 minute closes bullish on this support, that means we're gonna go up. Although the 1 hour is indicating us that we are very most likely to go down. This is what's happening. But I don't think so. We can trust anything at the moment. On 4 hours, we just closed below the support, and we are most likely to go down. On 1 hour, we are most likely to go down. Yeah, 1 hour, we are most likely to go down. On 30 minutes, we are still going down. And if we close below this support on 15 minutes, we will be very happy to take a sell. A sell that matters a lot. You know? Who knows? You know? I don't know. you know? the internet at the moment. I think so. That's disrupting the whole idea of doing the live stream, which is very bad. Which is very, very bad. Yeah, you see, we are like we expected that it will go down, and 2 minutes are left for the scandal to close. This 30 and New York Open will be happening, and oh my God, this will be very. Oh, you don't do like this. Good boys don't do that. You stay in your. You don't do that. You don't do that. Hmm. I can't. Okay. I don't like you anymore. Like I predicted that gold is going down, and it is going down without giving us something. Yeah. You know, that's something I genuinely don't like about gold. You know your move. You know what the gold is going to do, and still you can't do anything because it's against your rules, and you can't break your rules. If you can't break your rules, you stick to it and you win. Sometimes you let the match happen and you don't interfere. You don't bet on it. You see, you don't bet on anything. If there isn't a trade, you still win. That's a win-win. Okay, very bad. Wow. Yeah, it is going up, and it is a big. The SL is going to be okay, 600 now. I don't know, man. I can't do that. It's a bad. I can't do that. There's no wick, nothing. The moment it stopped and stopped going up, and I can't do that. It's very hard for me. It is very, very hard for me to take a trade at the moment. Although it is, ah, I can't. I can't. You know, it is something. It's extended, way more extended than I expected it to be, and can't can't go in. It's risky and it's against the rules I have. I don't like it. I don't like it this way. You know, the 30-minute had a support resistance. Can't jump in. The pool's dirty. Almost full. The pool's almost full. I can't jump in. Like it's very hard. Um, I expected the goal to be closing somewhere over here so that on the retest I can just enter and take this 60, 40, 50 pips. But it already made its run and I don't. Yeah, you see, if somebody had a sell at this point, if somebody had a seller just like, if the market's gonna reject this much, it's gonna go down, and it just came down, take took the orders and went up. Now it's taking the SLs, and if it breaks the high again, that means not anything can happen. Yeah, it's difficult. You know, that's why I prefer Asia session. Asia session is calm, and you get your 40, 50 pips, and you go home. You enjoy. You know, the New York and the London. London is I don't know what the London is. You know, the London is London. Eh, I don't like London. Yeah, that's what I would say. I don't like London because whenever I traded around London in London, London is London. Yeah, I don't like that. I genuinely don't like London session. Da 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 da. No, sometimes I don't like it. I don't like it. I didn't saw my uh my flowers and they're all dried up and I have to put water in them. They might, yeah, the new ones are coming up. The old ones were down back down, they're dying. Yeah. But the new ones, I like the new ones. They're going up. I like it. Na, 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 na. Yeah, forget it. Okay, so yeah, you see the market's going up and it is rejecting. If the market closes above somewhere over here, we're gonna buy. We're gonna buy. We're gonna buy it. Yeah, but without if it tends towards our system, only then we're gonna do that stuff. Without that, we ain't. Oh no. Yeah, because the support is now this. This is the support. This is the resistance, and it came all the way up, all the way up. Uh, I'm on a new level. You know, sometimes you don't you know what the market's gonna do. If I you know I knew that the market's gonna go down And from here, I knew that the market is gonna go down. I could have, just took this and make some make some profit, but I did not had any confirmation, even on 30 minutes. 30 minutes don't have any lower wick, so we don't trust the no lower wick. Yeah, if we engulf this, 15 minute we engulf this, we be going down. Ooh, we be going down. We be going up, not down. We're not going down anymore. We're going up. Yeah, it's 2 and 5, 7 minutes. 7 minutes to go, and if this candle stay in your limits, candle, you dirty, dirty candle. Yeah, I was having some flu as well. I was not well. That's why I wasn't coming online. And this psychological level of 4,000, 4,000, 4,000. This is very, 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 very. Yeah. If this engulfs and close above this resistance, we will be very happy to. Don't do that. Don't do that. When someone is waiting for, yeah, you see, this freaking here. I don't like them like this. I like Rashid. It's not very good. I just said it myself. I said it myself. That's all hit. That's all hit. A friend of mine was in a cell and his SL got hit. My friend who was in a cell, his SL got hit. He had SL somewhere over here, here, and his SL got hit, and that's why. This is our resistance, and if we close above this resistance, we are very much okay. We have 4 minutes to go, and if we close above this, we will be very happy to go up. Someone is watching me, and if you are watching me, don't watch me. Watch the charts, bro. Charts, charts. Yeah, we going up. I'm all the way up. Yeah, I like that sound, but I don't know how to make it. I'm all the way up. Yeah. Chicka boom, chicka boom. I think so. I need to switch my camera. I don't like this because the camera which was over here and I had my vision from here. It was better. The lighting was good. I had to put so much light on it and still I'm not getting anything out of that. Should I do? Oh, fuck it. Let's drink some water. Get hydrated. Water. We need water. Chat rate. What the chat rate is saying. Chat rate. Chat rate. Chat rate. There is no chat rate. Nobody's here. Yeah, I just drank from this 1.5 liters water. Water. You're like a water to me. Yeah. Da, 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 da. Some things are meant to happen. Wow. I was just watching a video today, and he said I got profitable after I understood that market does not market does not pay you according to how much you stay on the charts and you take trades. Market pays you after looking at how much time have you waited. And yeah, I forgot. Fuck it. Not every quotation is meant to be remembered by heart. If this candle engulfs the retest, yeah, three, two, one, and the new candle is about to be printed, and it is more likely to go up, I guess. Yeah, you know, it engulfed the previous candle. Yeah, 408967. 4089. Okay. It engulfs 4089. Like, let's this is going to be our potential take profit. 4100. Am I in the okay, I'm not in Yeah, I'm not in the trade right now. Yeah, I'm in the trade now. Okay. Okay, yeah. I'll just move a little bit of this SL so that I get a little room for my trade. I am I'm in the trade now. Okay. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens and let's see what happens. If it goes up, yeah. So yeah, we're in the trade. Let's see what the trade is going to give us. Uh, although I'm putting 1 to 2 ratio in this trade because this is a very clean range from this side. So I don't. Yeah. So yeah, we are in the trade after long waiting, and let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Yeah, I think the market should go up because it just engulfs the 15 minute and the 30 minute is engulfing as well. So I am pretty sure that it would go up, but at the moment it's just consolidating because the hour is about to close. Yeah, 1 hour, 30 minute. Yeah, okay. Okay, let's see what happens. If it's if it's a L and it's a L. Uh, no worries. Let's see. And that's why I put my stage over here, my resistance away. If it closes above this resistance, I would have taken. But I had a a gut feeling that it might it close engulf uh, and let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. You know, we still in a trade, and we don't we don't know whether it's gonna go up or whether it's gonna go down. And we came after so many days. Markets might be just making us pay for that. I don't know, but yeah, let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. Okay. It did not close above. Did not close above this. Okay. So yeah, it. I don't know whether it's gonna go up because it did not close above this. Let's see what happens. I did not saw that. I did not saw that coming. Yeah, but it's okay. I think so. My SL is gonna hit. Yeah, I hit my SL. Okay, that's okay. That's okay. That's why I was not. I made an early entry, and I shouldn't have done this. I could have held it till here, but that's okay. That's okay because we had a tight stop loss, and it is almost. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. Ooh la la. That is, oh my God. Even though I had a stop loss below this candle, even then I would have been taken right now, but it would have been long. Uh, sometimes you do everything, but it turns out to be a bad thing. Let's see. We can give another chance our trade and see whether it is going to help us or not. But okay, it's okay. This air conditions doesn't work over here. That's why I don't like this. I told so many times. Oh my God. Holy, yeah, that song. Oh my God. It just rejected the whole wick, man. Damn. Butterflies. Oh my God. Man, why would you do that? Why? I just saw a video yesterday and it was, why? There was a family who was confessing about things, and the boys were a little naughty, and they were confessing about things they're doing. And the father was like, why? And the mom's like, we don't judge. I just got that why in my mind. We're closing below this support, man. This is so insane. This is something I did not expect it. It rejected that much. Oh my God. Oh, oh my God. Okay, we had $273 as a loss. That's okay. Oh, oh my God! Why would you do that, man? Why would you do that? Oh man. Oh fuck. Man, you don't trust gold anyway. 1 minute. If it's making a good sell, I'll be happy to take a sell. Because market, I don't think so. The market's choppy. The FMO, FMC is coming this week. Market's gonna be choppy, and it did what it did. Even it's a high volume time, and my friend just sent me something. He, oh, yeah, we can we can go for sells now because it just closed below. But I wanted to retest a bit, and then we can carry on. Let the first minute pass and make it. Yeah, this is the one I was talking about. Yeah, it should do a little bit more retest, then yeah, it should do a little more retest. 4073. It's it's a tight, it's a tight 4079. If it breaks its own high now, I don't think it's gonna go down then. But if it rejects and turns red, it's very likely that it will go down. Yeah. GG. Yeah. Hello, brother. Nice to see you back. I like you. I like you watching my stream every day. You know, if it takes this high again, I might close it. And I'll put my stop loss SL till here, I guess. Yeah, this would be, yeah. Yeah, I did a retest and we are just waiting for the market to do its move and we'll see what the market's gonna do. Let's see what the 5 minute is doing. 5 minute. Oh, no, 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 no. Yeah, it's 3 minutes. If this 3 minutes, yeah, and this gap is about 160 pips. Okay. Mhm. Yeah, I think so. I don't know. Let it choose its side. Oh, yeah. We don't know yet what the gold's about to do. We'll wait for any side it chooses to go. Then we will be looking for R. And if not, then I'm done for the day. One trade a day keeps the drawdown away. Drawdown is Apple. Okay. Okay. You know what? If it breaks this high, I'll say buy. If something's happening in the market and I don't know, yeah, about yeah, 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 yeah. It did not broke its high. It did not broke its low. And these are the last 5 minutes. So what we're gonna do is that as the market creates a support over here and the next candle breaks that support and close below, then I will be looking for sells at the moment. These are the last 5 minutes. Contrast last 5 minutes. Did it broke its high? It did not broke its high. This candle broke its low. It's tough. Last 5 minutes you can't trust last 5 minutes. The first minute and the last 5 minutes you can't trust the market. Nobody. Last 3 minutes. Wow. You see, that's what I was talking about. The last 5 minutes you can't trust them. Yeah, it is going up. It is going. It's gonna break its high. That's why the last 5 minutes cannot be trusted. Anything can happen any moment. So stay safe. Yeah. Last 2 minutes for the candle to close. And I think so. I think so. The next candle, this candle will create a support, and the next candle will break that support and close, and then it will start going down. I think so. This is the last minute, and let's see what happens in the last minute. what it is. Wow, what a pretty. Well, yeah, this is the one I was talking about. It will create a support over here, and a candle. Yeah, this is what I was talking about. And this candle now, this candle will break this support, and then it will start going down. You know, it's been an hour. We took a train. Like I said, the market's gonna be choppy, and it is choppy. Wow. Wow. If the gold goes up, it goes up because the 30-minute is engulfing. Right now, at the moment, if you see the 30-minute is engulfing, the 15-minute is like this. But if the 30-minute happens to be like this, it is very most likely to be going up. We don't know yet. We don't know yet. If it breaks the slope, it's go down. If it does not, it stays down. Last 10 minutes for the candle to close, and if it closes like this or something like that. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah, like I said, it is going to, if it closes like that, if it closes below the support, then it will close below. But it's still 7 minutes to go, and I don't like it if it starts going down now. What kind of 15-minute key time trend line? This was a 30-minute trend line. and you can stretch it all the way back to this. Okay, I don't. Ah, online chart. Okay, yeah, yeah. वाह, ये ये कौन सा 15 मिनट है बात. Okay, if we close below this support, we can go for a sell. We can go for a sell. Sell. Yeah, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Yeah, 1 minute is consolidating, bro. You can't trust 1 minute. I can't trust 5 minutes, 15 minutes is the maximum low I can go. Mhm. Mm, yeah. Aggressive, aggressive. वैसे मेरी एक एफएल चली गई है. मैं मुझे कोई उश्किल नहीं है कि मैं एग्रेसिव लूं. मैं एग्रेसिव नहीं लूंगा. बस कह दिया जो कह दिया. बस. यार एग्रेसिव बहुत एग्रेसिव अच्छी चीज नहीं है. एग्रेसिव आपको खुदे लाइन लगवा देती है कभी कभी. इसलिए नो एग्रेसिव. See, like I said, it will create a support and then it will break its support and fuck you. I yeah, Hamad will say. uh, he already in 40 pips, man. That's good for you. Yeah, that's good for you. I don't go in 1 minute. This is this is not good, man. One minute to go, and if it closes like this, I have a very strong opinion. If it does not break its high or low, 1 minute to go for the candle to close, and it will be 30, and that 30 is bearish now. Yes, and we are most likely to be. Don't go that much down, bro. It is a lot. It is extended a lot, and I can't trust this because this is almost how many pips it did already? 50 pips it done already. So I was expecting to close it somewhere over here, so that I had stop loss 50 pips back to the range. I just going down, but the way it is extended, I can't trust it. You Okay, guys, I think uh, this is the day. We we thought we were gonna have a good day, but unfortunately, we did not had a good day. I'm calling it a day. We had a loss, and we'll see tomorrow and what the markets have stored for us this week. We are having FOMC meeting and everything. This is going to be a very big week. So before that, the market's gonna be choppy. So one trade a day keeps the drawdown away. Drawdown is for Apple these days. So we are just going to wait for the market to print as we want it to. Uh, Forget it. Okay. See you tomorrow with a better structure, with a better market. I'm done. See you tomorrow. Have a good day.